Hello everyone, it's Tiffany. I wanted to come on and show all of you how to create a party in Consultants Corner. So when you first log in, you will be defaulted to Consultants Corner, and typically that will either bring you to your homepage or your Parties in Order page. So you want to go to the My Parties in Order page, which is what this is, and click Create Party. And depending on what you're creating will depend on the type. Most common are going to be virtual. Those are our Facebook parties, so you'll select that. If it's a fundraiser or wedding, you will check that. If not, you can leave those blank. You will type in the start date and end date. So I am creating one here for August 17th. It'll default the end date to be about a week. But I do 5-day parties, so I will change that. And I usually make the end date to be one day after the party ends. That way it's open and available for my hosts to shop at that point. And then you enter in your host information. If it is a past guest, it will autofill right from your contacts. And if it isn't, then you will need to type in that information that you got from your host. So you will need to have their name, email, phone number, and mailing address. It's important to make sure that this is a mailing address for FedEx. So because we use FedEx, you cannot enter in a P.O. box. If a guest does have a P.O. box as their primary address, you can enter in the address of the post office in line 1 and the P.O. box in line 2 to get around that. And then depending on their host name, it will default to a party link right away. You can easily change that if you want. If you want to make it shorter, have a specific theme, anything like that, sky's the limit. It can be whatever you want. I usually change it to be the first letter of the host's first name and then the full last name with the party date. But again, you can do whatever you'd like. And then you'll want to edit in to add the host name here. So as you're running block parties or individual parties, this just adds in that small touch. So when a guest does click on this party shopping link, they see their host name. They know for their own peace of mind that they're in the right place, which helps. If you're running a Facebook event, so not a group, but a specific event, which not very many people do, but I know there are some that do that, you can type that event link right here and allow guests to go to the Facebook event without having a Facebook account. With most of us running groups, you can completely ignore that and not do anything with it. Once you have the information all set, then you click Create Party and you are all set.